Hey everybody, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Colfax, North Carolina. We are by appointment only. You can reach me at 828-773-4500. So what I have is a Bison Stratus Express. This would be an all aluminum Bison. That would be the skin, the frame, and the floor in the back horse compartment. It does have a stainless nose. Wait a minute, let me back up. I'm jumping ahead of myself. 4 horse, 12-foot short wall with a slide, 2012 Bison 4 horse. So I'm gonna kind of spin around. We got a stainless nose. Slide box has a dinette, which I'll show you shortly. 4 drop windows, 3 manger boxes for storage. We have a collapsible rear tack, 4 saddle racks. So I'm just gonna step up in the horse compartment. All the padding's in good shape. Fully lined and insulated. Drop windows with bars, and it does have the sliders on the rear with bars. Looks like here they just tried to reinforce this back wall. There's no real major issue. The reinforcement material they used just kind of tore up. It's kind of like the stuff that you use to put on I guess under a piece of equipment at the gym. It's that soft stuff you can buy it kind of anywhere. Mats are all in good shape. Lower divider. Nothing really concerning in the horse box. Everything looks good, and like I said, you know, I'll just kind of show you. It's just kind of where they had extra padding here on the back of the wall. All right. There's really nothing major I can point out in this trailer of concern on the outside whatsoever. It does have a power awning. Let's go back to the front now. Let me kind of catch myself back up. Hydraulic jack, 2 battery boxes, 2 propane tanks, and it does have a stainless nose. Catching myself back up. All right, I'm gonna step in the LQ. Like I said, guys, this would be a 12-foot with a slide. Really good size. Okay, it's got a big fridge. Dinette does make a bed. Has TV hookup. Need to get a TV for this one. So TV hookup, no TV. You got cabinets on either side of the bed at the bottom, and you got a cabinet up in the nose behind the mirrors there. They put an extra bottom piece on the door for dogs, which is kind of nice on that screen door. This trailer does have 2 sinks. They're both stainless, so 2 stainless sinks. Rear kitchen here has 2 burner stove, microwave, drawers and cabinet space here, large fridge. It's a pretty good sized bathroom. Has a corner shower, sink and vanity here. Walk-through door. Like I said, it's a good, got a cabinet here on the back with good storage. It's good size living quarters. Trying to give you the best view possible that I can. Nothing to point out of any major damage in this trailer as well. I don't see anything of any concern. Nice clean 4 horse used Bison, all aluminum, 2012 4 horse. All right, so 2012 4 horse Stratus Express Bison. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.